Alright, this is just going to be a little video short. I have been really busy the last few days because a few parts have come in, so it allows me to get on with some jobs. But one of the things I wanted to show you today was something really special. Well, not really special, but transfer case. Nothing special about that, is there? Was down at JP's, and he's done a great big bunch of these with the bushings in here for the intermediate pin, this thing here. He also grinds these and he makes the bushings to suit these pins, because some of these pins are quite good, so it saves buying and importing one. But this case came as a scrap unit, and I actually got it out of my scrap bin. So what was the problem? This bearing had collapsed. The big one that goes in here had collapsed, and what it had done is it eaten out all this casing. So what JP did was he made like a top hat bush and he pressed it in and machined it out. But what is special about it is, how did he find his centre? Because there's nothing really to make a centre off. You can't work off this casting, you can't work off there, and he only did it on a milling machine. Well, what was clever about it was he knew that this piece was machined out, so he needed to machine that from the other side, if you see what I mean. So what he did was he made a disc to fit a nice tight snug fit into here, bolted the disc to the milling table, put this down under the disc, bolted this down, and it was, he knew then, because he'd already worked out the centre of the disc, bolted that down. Now he had the centre of here, so he could machine this out. And just to double check, he had 3 other transfer cases and it worked out perfectly. So that's a salvage piece we can use again. Nice little casing. It's 22D. Nothing special about it, but it is a 1992 casing. It's an older one, but we can use that again.